Hi, I'm Storm Tracker 18 meteorologist Jess. I have some good news. We're finally getting rid of this cold snap. This morning we were below zero again. No surprise, we've been below zero in some way, shape, or form, be it single digits, teens, or even 20s below zero every morning since February 6th. So definitely we're finally going to break out of that. This morning we were in the teens below zero again, but we should be saying goodbye to this kind of weather. And this afternoon we did make it into the 20s, so still a little below average for this time of year, but compared to what we've seen, 22 in Eau Claire felt very nice, even 28 in Black River Falls this afternoon. So we're getting better, and we do get better from here as well. One other thing that we do have right now, though, is an air quality alert. Definitely due to the stagnant air that we've seen in place, that means there's more particulates and particles in the air, which could cause some issues for people who have breathing problems, respiratory issues through Sunday, so something to be aware of there as well. Another thing we're watching is the potential for snow. So even though we're saying goodbye to the frigid extreme cold, we do have a little batch of snow to get through before we tap into some even warmer temperatures. Clouds continue to overspread the area tonight, but we stay dry through early Sunday morning. By the earlier hours of Sunday morning, we're starting to see some snow from southern Minnesota into southern Wisconsin, but it shouldn't arrive here until later in the morning. Early afternoon is when we're looking to see some snow starting across the area. And you'll notice the heaviest snow throughout this, primarily south of 29, and even heavier snow south of I-90, so the heaviest snow out of our area and anywhere into parts of southern Wisconsin, northeast Iowa, southeast Minnesota. But even here, we should see some steadier snow into the afternoon hours, especially again south of 29. Areas north of that might not see all too much with this system, but we'll continue to see that into Sunday evening. It does taper off pretty quickly Sunday evening, though. We do see lingering clouds, perhaps a few lingering flurries, but that's about it. It's a quick moving system, but enough to drop some accumulating snow for most of us. Clouds linger into our Monday as well. In terms of our totals with this system, we are looking at some accumulations, but you'll notice it's not enough to prompt a winter weather advisory for our area. There are advisories in parts of Minnesota and Iowa shaded in purple here, but we're still looking at some accumulation. And for us, we're looking at mostly anywhere between a trace to a couple inches for the majority of the area, but you'll notice the heaviest totals are expected to the south of us, and in our area we could see anywhere between 1 and 3 inches, southern Pepin County through Buffalo, Trempealeau, maybe even Jackson, southern Clark County possible. For the Eau Claire area, Dunn and Chippewa counties, we could see anywhere from a trace, so not all that much at all, to a couple inches. And then north, we're looking at not all that much snow at all, inch at most, although looking like we might be down closer to a trace of snow. So depending on where you are, it's going to depend on the amounts, but most of us should see at least a little bit stick to the ground tomorrow, anywhere between a little bit and a few inches, depending on how far south you live. Tonight, we're looking at temperatures in the teens. First night, we're not well below zero in a long time, and we're definitely going to see some improvements there. In fact, temperatures might actually rise a couple degrees overnight, so warmer than we've seen. We have a lot of cloud cover, snow developing by tomorrow afternoon, temperatures in the low 30s, and then that tapers off pretty quickly Sunday night. Monday, we're still mostly cloudy though, but you'll notice the temperatures are much warmer. Upper 30s possible to start the week, potentially watching a chance at 40 by Tuesday, even into Wednesday, some mid 30s. So the warmest weather we've seen in quite some time. It's been a cold February. We're finally breaking out of that cold pattern and actually looking at some above average temperatures through the middle of the week. Slight chances for snow in that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, still keeping an eye on that. But other than that, a pretty nice and mild week compared to the Arctic air that we've seen lately.